So this is the AIDA ship, and hopefully my washing is finished. It's finished. So what you have to do is, to make your washing machine work, I didn't understand it, a man had to come and help me. So you put your card, first of all you put your, I'm gonna open this. You put your softener in here and your powder in here. I didn't understand that either. And then you shut the door, put your washing in, yeah? Then you go over here and you put your board card in and you press the button, which was this one here, yeah? That one there. And then you have to turn it to what temperature you want, yeah? Hot, 95 degrees, synthetic, fine washing, cold or warm. Put your washing in and then you have to press this button. Now I didn't know you have to press the button as well. I was there for ages. Yeah, and yeah, just a long time. But anyway, so now I'm gonna put the stuff. I don't normally use a dryer. I'm gonna put the stuff now into a dryer. Here's a dryer. High temperature, middle temperature. I don't know, because I've got pajamas and I've got sports stuff and underwear and jumpers. Let's have a look how it's dried. Do you want to see my washing? Yeah, so they're still a bit wet. Put them in. And I've got a jumper, which I don't want to shrink really. Please don't want to shrink that because it's my Vans jumper. And then I've got these jumpers, these t-shirts from the mountain. They're already pre-shrunk, so they'll be fine. Let's have a look at this. What's this? This is hubby's top. Do you know what? I'm not going to put that in the dryer. I'm going to put it here. A vest of mine. Whee. That should be all right. Let's have a look here. What's this? Oh, my Pirates of the Caribbean t-shirt. I don't know, I'll check that in a minute. If it says I can, and then I've got a t-shirt here. What's it say on that? I'm gonna have to read the label. Oh, that's a jumper. I'll have to read that label. Not gonna chance that one because it's really expensive. His pajamas, yeah, pretty sure they'll be fine. Another t-shirt, yeah, pretty sure. Socks. Now, jeggings, I don't know, I've got some jeggings there. I'm not too sure about them. We'll have to see. My socks from Primark, I think they'll be fine. Ugh. And underwear. Leggings. I'm gonna have to read the label on all these things. So anyway, that's me doing my washing. I dropped a sock. That's somebody else's sock there though. Okay. We'll have to see about that. Anything else in there? No. So then you put your board card in again and you press dryer 2 and do the temperature, and it takes 45 minutes, so we'll have to see what's going to happen with that. Okay, there's no lint thing. Oh, that's good. Right. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me just show you over here. You can get your own washing powder. I brought my own because I'm quite, you know what I mean, fussy. You've got a sink here. You've got some irons there. Fire extinguisher. Some little kids forgot some stuff. So I'll put that sock over there. I've forgotten clothes. Yeah. And this is a washing room. Oh, Wasch Salon. Okay, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you've been on the AIDA, which boats have you been on? Which ships have you been on? And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.